Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q3 of the weekly test 273, intervals between identical elements. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. I did this during the virtual contest. But first thing you have to do, of course, is just group them together. That's the first thing that I did. So yeah, join me on Discord. Did I already say that? I don't know. But yeah, and then now you have an array of elements in which you're trying to figure out the sum of all the intervals, right? And in these cases, it's just the total of the differences of all the indexes. And the way that I did it is something that I kind of knew, though it took me a little bit of time to kind of think about it. It took me actually 7 minutes. It felt longer than that, though, to be honest, because it's something that I'm weaker at. Because I always feel like it's easier to make it off by one here. But the idea here is that it's a sort of a sliding window. So I'm going to pull out Paintbrush really quickly so that I can draw and illustrate this for you. Hang on. But yeah, but the idea here is that, okay, and I'm drawing this on a trackpad. I'm on a bed. I'm in a mountain cabin in Panama. So that's why I don't even have a desk. So excuse my poor drawing. But actually, maybe I don't need drawing. Sorry, friends. Maybe I'll ASCII audit. Hang on. Maybe that's a little bit better. But yeah, but let's say we have 1, 3, I don't know. I'm just picking up random numbers, 4, 8, 10, 15, right? And these are the indexes of the same number. Doesn't matter what number it is, right? And then the idea is that, okay, fine. First, calculate the number, the answer for 1, right? Well, for 1, the answer is going to be 2 away. The second number is going to be 3, 7, 9, and then was it 14, right? So then you sum that up is equal to, I don't know, let me plug in the calculator. I guess this is just 10 plus 11, 21 plus 35, right? So this is 35. And then now, so in a kind of like sliding window or a sweep line of sorts. So now the next number's here, right? Well, what happens? What happens is that 4 numbers, okay, so the difference between 3 and 1 is 2, right? So let's just say delta is equal to 2. So what happens? 4 numbers, these sum get reduced by 2, right? Because now you got closer. So then that means that this is 0 because now you're 3, right? And 4 is 1, and this is, what is it? 5, and this is 7. So these numbers all got 2 less. And then on the left side, everything to the left of the 3 is 1, and everything got 2 bigger because, well, now it just got bigger. So then now you have 2. So then this is just equals to 35 plus everything that got smaller. So 4 numbers got smaller. So 4 times minus 2 because now they're smaller plus, well, 1 number on the left side got bigger. So then it's just 1 times 2. And that's basically the idea behind this problem. You could do some math to make this even easier to read, but that basically that's the idea behind this, and that's pretty much what I code up. Even though, like I said, my math is a little bit weirder, and I did it in this thing to look at adjacent numbers. But yeah. So what is the complexity of this, right? The complexity of this is going to be O of n. And the reason why is because for every number, you can say for every number that's in the list, well, we put it into the default dictionary that has a list to it. So it's a lookup table with a list. But each of them can only be processed once or twice, depending on how you want to say it. Once on the left side, once on the right side, or something like that, right? So twice. So that's going to be O of 1 per number. And that's pretty much it. And you only set the number once, and all this is O of 1, right? Everything is O of 1 per number. So therefore, it's going to be linear time, O of n. In terms of space, that's also going to be linear space because of returning the answer. But also the default dictionary will have one entry per element. So this is linear time, linear space. And that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. And you could watch me solve it live in the contest next. Okay, good. Let's see. what is I should have read the problem before looking at the examples, but absolute difference between indexes. Is it max or min? The sum of the intervals are the same. Okay. What is n? N is 10 to the 5th, so that's a little bit awkward. Let's see. 0, 2, 3. I mean, okay, now I have to figure out how to process this, but I guess this part is so far so good. How do I get the distance between all the numbers? I'm guessing that a naive wouldn't work. Sum of the intervals, huh? So we've got 2. How does this work? Huh. I really have no idea so far. Oh, I see. This is something that we've done before. That's an annoying thing. Yeah, okay. Slight. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I guess I just have to do it. It's annoying as hell though, but. Okay, and then now we have. Yeah, okay. I mean. And then now. I mean, I don't think I need to absolute value that actually. Okay, so this isn't the answer yet, but let me at least validate that it once. Okay, and the 427 prefix stuff works. Okay, and then now we have to sly. So then now we want to, so x is already done, the first x, so then now we just want to do y. So answer sub y is equal to, and then x is the previous, equals to some number. But basically left we increment by 1. Okay, I mean, it's just math. I just have to think about it, which is a little bit hard. Okay, so basically to go from the first number to number, then what do? Okay, so doing that, okay, delta is equal to now minus previous, and then now all the numbers to the left added. Yeah, so this adds delta times left, then all the right minus it. I mean, I think this is right. It's just that I have to think about although off by 1 cases. I think that's the thing that I'm not really proving to myself, and I don't really believe it. Because okay. So before there were these numbers, okay. Now going to the left, well, one of these, okay. I thought this is right, but it looks a little awkward. Maybe just because the way I'm counting. Okay. Seems to match the answer. Okay, let's go. Let's give it a submit. Iffy about this one. Yeah, hey. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord, especially if you like these contest problems. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.